Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to watch more creative videos on React.js. As we have gone through many videos on React.js such as the registration form, registration and login form, form validation, Node.js connectivity to React. We have seen few videos on Node.js connectivity to React. We have seen MERN stack. So today's video is really interesting and creative. As I was thinking that I can do it in Node.js, then why I can't do it in React.js? So yes, today's video is about CRUD operation using React.js. So let us go through the app file, main file, app.js. This is about the main file of React.js. Now I will execute the program. npm start. Yes, server has been started. Yes, you have seen. So I will create one record, enter name Shahrukh, age might be 49. Yes, submit. It has been added at the last. Now I will edit Akash, update Akash. Instead of Akash, I will write Amir. Yes, updation has been done. Now I will delete Simran record. Yes, successfully done. So I have successfully done with CRUD operation using React.js. I seen we have gone through a lot of videos on Node.js in using CRUD operation. This is the first time I am doing CRUD operation using React.js. So please share with your friends if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel because I have taken extra effort for this video. I will be back with more videos on React.js, Node.js, and if possible Python, and then afterwards AngularJS. Thanks for watching.